Okay, now this is a circuit board for Chamberlain garage door opener, and what I did was I took the whole circuit board out and I used my iPhone's video camera to zoom in to see minor fractures on the circuit board to where the connectors weren't connecting. So I took a soldering pen, soldering pin, and I re-soldered the connections together to make the fractures disappear and make the solder connect the wires again. And I put the circuit board back up, and now we'll see if it works. Okay, now so we're about to set the force control, because when I restarted it, it had excessive force control going down and then it popped right back up. So now we're gonna set it again. What we're gonna do, we're gonna press this little black button till it beeps, and the up button is flashing. Then we're gonna hold this button until the door goes up to the desired control, desired spot. I say about 1 inch above the header. And you can keep tapping that button until you get it to where you want it. And once you get it there, you're gonna press the start button. Now, you're gonna set the down garage door force by pressing this arrow going down. And once it gets to about 2 inches above the ground, you're gonna let go. And you're gonna just tap that until it goes down to where you need it to go to. That little clicking you hear, that means that my belt needs to be tightened up a little bit.